Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use frames and grid in Canva. Friends, frames and grid helps to give good effects to your photo and video while using in your design. Now to add a frame or grid in your design, you need to click on elements. Now here scroll it little down and you will find frames and grid. To see all frames, you need to click on see all. Now here you will find basic shapes, films and photo, devices. Click on see all. Now here it will show frames for different devices. We will use mobile. Now it will help to adjust any photo or video within the mobile frames. So we will select a photo. You can also upload it from your device. Now to adjust the photo within frame, you need to drag and drop the photo on frame. So like this you can use different frames. Now we will find a photo. Now we will drop photo on the frame. Also by double clicking on the photo, you can select the portion of the photo. Like if I want the tree part in the frame, then you can adjust it as per your requirement. So like this you can play around with the frames. Now we will cover grid. You will find the grid option within elements. Now to see all grids, you need to click on see all. Select this grid. Here we can add 3 photos or videos. We will select some photos. Like this you can add videos also. So friends, like this you can play around and use frames and grids for different works in Canva. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.